Hello everyone, in this video we are going to start studying for current affairs for 67th BPSC. Now first question from India and world related. First World Peace Center where? The first World Peace Center is going to be built in Gurgaon, Haryana by Jain Acharya Dr. Lokesh ji. It has been inaugurated by Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar. It will be built in Gurgaon. What they will do? They will preach peace and they will do social work. Such kind of World Peace Center, first in the world, is going to be built in Gurgaon. Another question related to Jain religion. Acharya Chandana of Bihar has been awarded the Padma Award, Padma Bhushan or Padma Shri. And Dr. Seval Gupta, economist, two person from Bihar, has won the Padma Awards 2022. First in the world to declare a climate emergency with an objective to eliminate net greenhouse gas emission completely by zero greenhouse emission by 2050 and climate emergency. This has been declared by where G7 2021 meet happened, that is UK. Boris Johnson, G7 2021 meet UK, and they have declared a climate emergency. And another climate related question is, recently which country PM declared climate change a national security? UK has declared it climate emergency, and Israel has declared it as a national security priority and announced more facilitation towards green energy. They will invest more on green energy. Israel, Naftali Bennett is right now the PM of Israel, and President of Israel is Isaac Herzog. So Israel have declared climate as national security matter, and United Kingdom, England has declared climate emergency, and United Kingdom has said that they will have zero emission by 2050, zero greenhouse gas emissions. Okay, another environment related question, where UNEP 2021 meet happened. So UNEP headquarters Kenya, Nairobi, there UNEP 2021 meet happened. Very important question. United Nations Environment Program headquarters is in Nairobi, Kenya, and there a meet happened, and there they have decided that by 2024 there should be a plastic treaty to be finalized. There will be a plastic treaty for different nation, okay, by 2024, and where this meet happened in Nairobi, Kenya. Other question asked in many mock test, world's largest maize producer, maize, makka, world's largest maize producer is USA. Other related question, wheat, gehu, rice and tea, China, obviously tea, China. Then coffee, very famous, Brazil. India is leading producer of jute and milk. Okay, in jute, largest producing state is West Bengal. Bihar has got second rank. Okay, in jute, Bihar rank is second and West Bengal is the leading producer. And overall, India is the leading producer of jute and milk. Then satellite related question, satellite to track hazardous weather. So NASA has launched third generation GOES-T satellite to track hazardous weather. Okay. Another satellite related question we have studied, the first country in the world to launch wooden satellite. That question answer was Japan. And India is largest producer of fenugreek, also known as methi in Hindi. So India is largest producer on fenugreek, and largest producing state is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest producing fenugreek state. Okay. India's largest floating solar power plant. India's largest floating solar power plant has been inaugurated in Tuticorin, Tamil Nadu by company Southern Petrochemicals Industries Corporation Limited, SPIC company. Okay. And very important, Bihar's first floating solar power plant is built in Darbhanga. Mithila region is very much famous for lakes and ponds. So in Darbhanga, Bihar's first floating solar power plant will be built. BPSC and UPSC has too much focus on solar energy, so this is very important question. Bihar's first floating solar power plant will be built in Darbhanga district. Then military exercise related, SLINEX SLI NEX 9th 2021 India Sri Lanka Navy exercise happened where? So Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. SLINEX 2021 Navy exercise happened in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, between India and Sri Lanka Navy. Chess related 23rd women chess grandmaster, latest grand chess master of women, Priyanka Nutaki from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. And we have already studied 69th chess grandmaster male, that is Harshit Raja from Pune. Then Human Capital Index, 2020 India rank. So India rank was 116 and topper was Singapore. And this is released by World Bank. Okay, how a country is using their human capital, human resources, which is the best country? To Singapore. India has got 116th rank in Human Capital Index, and this index is released by World Bank. Then a very famous index, always in news, Henley Passport Index rank. India's rank is 83, and topper is Japan and Singapore. That means Japan and Singapore passport is most powerful. India's rank is 83. Initiative of Sulabh International with central government. So central government and Sulabh International has launched a meeting kind of thing, Swachhtagrah. In this, what happened? Modi ji praised Sulabh International initiative in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Sulabh Shauchalay, Sulabh International, very famous. Founder of it is Bindesri Pathak of Bihar. Sulabh International is very much famous, has got many awards, and they with central government had a program, Swachhtagrah program. Startup capital as per economic survey 2021 and 2022, very important because Delhi has overtaken Bangalore as startup capital. Startup capital means more number of startups are started in Delhi rather than Bangalore. Delhi has overtaken Bangalore. So this is very important because by logic everyone will think that Bangalore should be the right answer, startup capital, but no, Delhi has become the startup capital as per economic survey, latest economic survey. Then Forbes releases world's 100 most powerful women of the world. So who has topped? The topper of this world 100 most powerful women is Mackenzie Scott. Mackenzie Scott is the ex-wife of Amazon founder Jeff Bezos. Why she is famous? Because she has donated a lot of money in charity. After getting divorce settlement, Mackenzie Scott, wife of Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, and she has become the Forbes most powerful woman of the world. Mackenzie Scott, very important. This question is very important. First, Bihar first floating solar power plant built in Darbhanga, Bihar related. That's why important. Startup capital Delhi, because everyone think that Bangalore will be the answer, but no, Delhi is the right answer. Next question is, India conducted an international workshop on marine pollution with which two countries in Feb 2022? So India conducted an international workshop on marine pollution with Australia and Singapore. India has got very good relationship with Australia these days. Australia PM right now is Scott Morrison. With Australia and Singapore, India conducted an international workshop on marine pollution in sea, marine pollution. India with Australia and Singapore did an international workshop. Very important, Boltzmann Prize winner, won by an Indian for the first time. Boltzmann Prize is given for statistical physics. Boltzmann, on the name of Boltzmann. Boltzmann was very big statistical physicist. What happened in statistical physics done with the use of statistics. So Professor Deepak Dhar of India has won Boltzmann Prize jointly with some other person. This name is important, Professor Deepak Dhar, very big statistical physicist of India. Right now he is working in IISR Pune, Professor Deepak Dhar. Okay, now coming to the Bihar related question. Who laid the foundation stone of Kalughat Intermodal Terminal or National Waterway 1 in Saran, Bihar? So this Kalughat Intermodal Terminal was foundation stone was laid by ex-Assam CM Sarabanda Sonowal. Sarabanda Sonowal is these days in central minister. Sarabanda Sonowal laid the foundation stone. Right now Chief Minister of Assam is Himant Biswa Sarma. Earlier Sarabanda Sonowal was the Chief Minister, and Sarabanda Sonowal laid the foundation stone of Kalughat Intermodal Terminal in Saran, Bihar. Okay. Next is related to Amrut mission. Amrut mission full form is Atal mission for rejuvenation of urban transformation, getting their city better, making a city better with good water supply, pedestrian and public transport, parking space should be good, then sewage facility and everything. So in Bihar, how many cities has been selected? This is very important. 27 cities of Bihar has been selected under Amrut mission. In this, what will happen? Central government will give the fund for better infrastructure in urban in town. Okay, so 27 cities of Bihar. Latest Bodh Gaya was added. Latest addition is Bodh Gaya. Total 27 cities. Another mission is smart city mission. Make a city smart. So in Bihar there are 4 smart city mission in four city: Patna, Muzaffarpur, Bhagalpur and Bihar Sharif. Bihar Sharif, Odantpura, Bihar. Okay, Gopala, Odantpura, Mahavihar. These days it is known as Bihar Sharif. So 4 smart city in Bihar: Patna, Muzaffarpur, Bhagalpur and Bihar Sharif, and 27 cities has been selected for Amrut mission. Another question related with third number, census related to state having fastest population growth. So Bihar has also the highest population density. Bihar's 2 districts having more than 5 million population, that means population more than 50 lakhs. So only 2 districts had more than 5 million population as per census 11. Those district name is Patna and East Champaran. Patna and East Champaran. East Champaran headquarter is Motihari. Then money allocated for COVID vaccination in budget 2021 and 2022. There will be a separate video on corona. But just remember, money allocated for COVID corona vaccination in budget was 35,000 crore. Very important data. 35,000 crore was allocated for corona vaccination. Then Bihar related, Mukhyamantri Balika Poshak Yojana for class 9 to 12 girl. So class 9 to 12 girl will be given rupees 500 for their clothing, for their poshak. Also Bihar per month stipend given to COVID orphan child. Those child whose mother and father has died due to corona will get rupees 1500 per month till they attain till they attain till the age of 18 year. Okay, also very much in news, Bihar has become the first state to make a comprehensive ethanol production promotion policy. Bihar has become the first state to bring ethanol production promotion policy in 2021. Syed Shahnawaz Hussain, ethanol will be mixed in petrol to make it cheaper. Also for government finances, it will be good, central government finances, because more of the petroleum is bought. So 2021 Bihar has become the first state to launch ethanol production promotion policy. Other question related to ethanol production, we will see. Next question is related to ethanol. First ethanol plant to be set up in Bihar. In Bihar, first ethanol plant will be set up in Ara, Bhojpur district headquarter, Ara. First ethanol plant, and first in India will be established in Chhattisgarh. In Chhattisgarh there is millet mission also. So Chhattisgarh first ethanol plant, and Bihar's first ethanol plant will be established in Ara. Okay. Bihar single-use plastic ban to be effective from. So Bihar is going to ban single-use plastics. Those plastic which is just used for one time, those plastic will be banned by 1st July 2022. Very important date. Then leads index. Leads full form is logistics ease across different states. Different states index. How easy it is to transport from one state to different state. So in Bihar rank was 19 out of 21. Only Himachal Pradesh and Assam were behind. So Bihar rank in leads index was 19. Leads index is brought by Ministry of Commerce. Okay. Another index related, State Food Safety Index 2021 released by FSSAI. The FSSAI is the organization which gives the food product certification. So State Food Safety Index, how much your food is safe, they give the indexing, which state food is safe. That means how many food inspector and inspection is going over there. That means the state food is safe or not. So Bihar rank was last, 20. Okay, 20. So ranking was done as 20 large state plus 8 smaller state. 8 smaller state, Goa plus 7 sister and 8. So Bihar rank in state food safety index was last 20th rank. Okay, and in Bihar, fortified rice means rice mixed with macronutrients will be given in public distribution system. There is a very big debate because rice is mixed with macronutrients. Some are in favor and some are in not in favor. But in India, fortified rice will be now given in public distribution system to reduce the malnutrition in child. Fortified rice will be given also in Bihar. Fortified rice will be given soon. Okay, this is the term always in news. Bihar's first textile park is going to be open in West Champaran, Bettiah. Bihar first jute park, so jute is mostly produced in Purnia area, so Bihar first jute park is in Purnasar Jute Park, Maranga, Purnia district. Okay, Bihar latest entrant to Prasad scheme. Prasad scheme full form is Pilgrimage Rejuvenation and Spirituality Augmentation Drive scheme by Ministry of Culture. In this, what will happen? All the pilgrims will be connected for tourism purpose related to Hinduism, Jainism or Buddhism related, like Kedarnath, Ayodhya. So latest entrant, earlier Bodh Gaya was there, but now Sitamarhi has been also included in Prasad scheme because Sitamarhi is the birthplace of Mata Sita. So Sitamarhi has become the latest entrant to Prasad scheme. Now Sitamarhi will be covered in Prasad scheme. Now central government will give the funding to Sitamarhi, birthplace of Mata Sita, to make them tourist friendly. Pilgrimage rejuvenation, make them tourism friendly. Okay, mega food park in Bihar. So mega food park in Bihar is going to be built in Motipur block, Muzaffarpur. Also there is a food park, but that is private sector food park already running. That is in Mansi, Khagaria. Central government mega food park will be opened in Motipur block, Muzaffarpur. Recently Kisan meet or Kisan Sangoshti were on occasion of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So in Bhabua headquarter of Kaimur, recently a Kisan Sangoshti was organized. Okay, new tiger reserve also in Kaimur Wildlife Sanctuary. There will be going to be built a new tiger reserve, Bihar's first tiger reserve in Kaimur. Bihar's only national park is Valmiki National Park in West Champaran. In Bihar, largest wildlife sanctuary is in Kaimur Wildlife Sanctuary. Also in Kaimur, a new tiger reserve is going to be built. Bihar's first water prepaid meter for commercial use where? So in Aurangabad. Commercial use means water used in hotel, restaurant, etc. So water prepaid meter to reduce the wastage or to measure. So in Aurangabad for commercial use, prepaid meter has been launched. Okay, in Aurangabad district. Aurangabad. In Bihar some policy related. Bihar wood based industrial promotion policy in which year? So in 2020, Bihar wood based industrial promotion policy has been launched. In this, what will happen? If you have industry related to wood, then you will be given subsidy. So policy for this has been released in 2020. Very famous Bihar Panchayati Raj Act 2006. Bihar Economic Survey for first time 2006 and 7 by Sushil Kumar Modi. Sushil Kumar Modi was the finance minister that time. Bihar related, Bihar longest serving CM. So Bihar Nitish Kumar has become the Bihar's longest serving CM after defeating Sri Krishna Singh, Bihar's first chief minister. Now Nitish Kumar has become the longest serving chief minister of Bihar. Bihar first non-Congress CM was Mahamaya Prasad Sinha in 1967. He was not from Congress. Jan Kranti Dal. Mahamaya Prasad Sinha, first non-Congress CM. And late chief minister of Bihar, Satish Prasad Singh, was CM for how many days? He died due to corona. He became CM for very few days, that is 5 days. So this can be asked. Ki Satish Prasad Singh was CM for how many days? So only for 5 days. And he belonged to Soshit Jal. Just after Mahamaya Prasad Sinha, Satish Prasad Singh became chief minister just for 5 days. Some question related to special economic zones. Special economic zones has been created by SAGE Act, Special Economic Zone Act 2005. Okay, in this what happens, they are given duty free, import free, like some features are single window clearance for central and state approvals. First stage in India has been created in Kandla. That time these were known as export processing zone. So you can say that first stage in India was Kandla. Okay, total number of stage, too many number you can't remember. There is no stage in Bihar, no special economic zone in Bihar. And features of special economic zone is single window clearance for center and state approval. You don't have to go central office and state office. At one place, basically online, at one place you will get the all the clearance. Okay, then no need for import license. Okay, one sec. These are the features of say, just look at it once. Single window clearance, then no need for import license. Then duty free import, very important, duty free import. You don't have to pay duty free import for goods for developing, maintaining and operating units. Then 100% tax exemption for first 5 years. 100% tax exemption, you don't have to give any tax. Then 50% tax exemption. Basically it is just to make our product competitive in world market, because their company's cost will be less. That's why special economic zone has been created in different part of the country. And via which act? Special Economic Zone Act 2005. Okay, and you can say first special economic zone was in Kandla, Gujarat, and in special economic zone 100% FDI by automatic route for manufacturing sector. That's all. We will meet in next video with current affairs. Thanks, bye bye, and take care.